What is a foodie salad? It's layers of flavor. You start with the vegetables you like in a salad: lettuce, tomato, cucumber, onion, banana pepper, shishito pepper, a little red chili pepper. That's layer number one. How is this salad different from any other salad? Not one, but 3 salad dressings. Around the edge of your plate, you will put 3 different salad dressings, or as many as you like. You choose what you feel like on that day. That makes it a foodie salad. I keep all these store-bought dressings together. Makes life easier. On future videos, I'll be doing some homemade dressings, so stay tuned. Thank you.